Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's problem of the day is smallest number with all set bits. So we are given with a positive integer n and we are supposed to return the smallest number x greater than or equal to n such that the binary representation of x contain only set bits. So what does set bits indicates? Set bit indicates the bits which are represented as 1. So let's take our first example. N is 5. So our n is 5. So if we take binary representation of 5, we'll get like this 1, 0, 1. Here 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. Nothing but 4 plus 1, 5. So what they are asking is we need to convert this to set bit. I mean every binary number which is present in the given number should be set to 1. So if we calculate this number, I mean decimal representation of this number, we'll get like this 2 power 1 2 square. As all are set to 1, we can simply add all the 2 powers. 4 plus 2 plus 1, nothing but 7. So we need to return the 7 as an answer. So how we can solve this problem is, let's take another color. Yes. So I will repeatedly write 2 powers for your understanding. 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, and 2 cube is 8. So what I'm doing is I will calculate the 2 powers until I will get a number which is greater than the given number n. So 4 is not greater than 5. If I take 2 cube 8, 8 is greater than 5. I will return the 1 minus to it. 8 minus 1, nothing but 7. So binary representation of 7 is, as we see here, 1 1 1 7. We'll get the correct answer. So let me erase this. Let's take another example for your understanding. So our another number is 10. So if I take 10 here, let me change the color. So if you take 10, the binary representation of 10 is 2 cube 8, 1, 4 will not be there, and 2 will be there. So this is the binary representation of 10. So what they are asking is, we need to give the decimal representation of number which is all set to 1 like this. So if we calculate the decimal representation of 1111, we will get 2 power 0 1 plus 2 power 1 2 plus 4 plus 8. We will get 12, 14, 15. 15 as an answer. So let's solve using my approach. Uh, in in this approach, now we need to get the 2 powers which is just greater than n, nothing but 10. So let's do that. 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. When I take 2 power 4, I will get 16. So 16 is greater than n, then I should stop and return the n minus 1. 16 minus 1, that is 15, which is the binary representation which we are getting. So let's implement the Java solution for this. So at first I need to take a variable called n1 and I will initialize it to 0. Now in order to increment the number, I mean in order to get the powers of 2 powers which is just greater than n, I will take a while loop. While. So in Java we have a package called math which has a function called pov. It takes 2 parameters, nothing but 2 comma n1. So what we are doing is we are calculating the 2 powers, 2 power to n1, and if it is I mean when we need to exit the while condition, when it is greater than n. So until the 2 power n1 is less than or equal to n, we need to increment the n1. I mean we will run this while loop. At last I am going to return the power of 2 less than 1, I mean by subtracting 1 from it. 2 comma n1 minus 1. This is what I'm supposed to return. So if we compile this, we'll get an error saying incompatible types. This is because we are supposed to return in the form of integer. So I'm doing typecasting the answer. So if you see here, it is passing all the test cases. Let's submit this solution. So as you can see here, it is passing all the tests. So I will also post a Python solution for this, which I used another approach like set approach. You can check it out. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. Thanks for watching.